What up, YouTube world? It's BClaud87 wishing you a happy holidays, and I'm back with another video on the stock market and my portfolio and pretty much how it's been going for the 2019 year. So, as you can see, as of right now, I have invested $2,509.44, and my portfolio was up for today $15.38. It's been up for the week, $14.67. So for the month, $85.01. See, up for the last 3 months, $198.58. For the past year, it is up $234.49. And overall, it is up $236.44, and it comes up to 10.4%. As you can see, I opened up the app back October 13, but I did not actually start investing in the app till earlier this year. With that being said, I do wish I would have started way back in 2017, but I mean, hindsight's 2020. And, it actually serves as a lesson to me as far as you can never really time the market. And the best time to get invested in the stock market is now. So definitely don't let the time pass you by. So I'll just go back to this past year because, again, as I mentioned, this is when I actually really started investing in the stock market. As far as actively investing, again, I am up $234.49, which comes out to 10.31%. And now, with that being said, let's get into my stock portfolio. Now, right now, I am currently invested in 13 different corporations. And now let's go ahead and jump into my individual stocks that I own. So the very first one we have at the top is Ford. That's ticker symbol F. As you can see, I have 23 shares. Let's go ahead and open this up. For the day, my Ford is down a little under, a couple percentage, a little under. Let's see, for the week, it's been down. For the month, it's been up a little bit. The past 3 months. This is the past 1 year. And this is the last 5 years. As you can see, it's been down. But I am hoping that Ford is going to take it as far as going to evolve with the electric cars. And I also really believe in Ford. It's an American automobile industry, and they pay quarterly dividend. And I actually like the dividend that they pay. As you can see, they pay 6%. And I believe that that's actually a very good, decent dividend. They pay quarterly to their shareholders. Let's see. And it looks like the last dividend I got was a little earlier this month, December the 2nd. I got $2.70. And that's just for holding this Ford share. Holding my shares in Ford. Again, I believe in Ford. It's a part of the auto industry, and they pay a quarterly dividend. And, I do think that they're going to continue to keep growing. So, or at least, I definitely believe that they'll be able to maintain their dividend payments. And I do think that the stock will eventually go back up. So I'm just holding on to the Ford. See, next we have AGNC Investment. Ticker symbol is AGNC. This is a real estate investment, and they pay their shareholders monthly. As you can see, I have 35 shares of AGNC, and my total return is $58.45. Let's see, my average cost is $16.35. And as of right now, AGNC is going for $18.02. So I have definitely made money on this investment. Again, I own 35 shares, and they pay shareholders like myself monthly dividends. So let's see, as you can see, the month of November, I received $5.60. And the month of December, I received another $5.60. And again, Dividends are it's just some of the surplus excess money that these companies are paying their shareholders. And that's just for holding. So this is just part of passive income. Let's see, my next stock that I own is going to be Blackstone Group, ticker symbol BX. I own 4 shares of BX. BX has actually been doing very well, as you can see, throughout this year. It has gone up $27, which equates to 92 percentage points. And BX is an investment and fund management company, and they pay quarterly. Let's see, the last dividend I received was November 12th, and that was for 98 cents. I believe at that time I had only owned 2 shares of it, so that's why I got 98 cents. Since then, I had bought 2 more. So I'm looking forward to the next dividend payment. It should be more than that. But yes, BX, again, Blackstone Group investment and fund management company, and they pay quarterly to their shareholders. Next, in my portfolio, I have ticker symbol LTC, which is LTC Properties. Let's go ahead and go into that. LTC, as you can see, I own 1 share. I bought in at $49, and the current price is $43. So it's been kind of going down, but it is a real estate investment company, and they pay their shareholders monthly. So let's go down. See, as you can see, I've been getting 19 cents per month. That's just for holding on to this company. September, October, November, and pending, I have another payment of 19 cents. I actually maybe buying another or a few more shares while it's going down at the moment. And that's just pretty much, buying at the low. I do feel like they may have the potential to bounce back or so. But either way, I'm still getting the monthly dividend for the payment. So that's why I'm just holding on to the LTC. I'm just collecting the dividend payment because, again, it's monthly. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol HTGC, and that is Hercules Capital. Hercules Capital is a finance company. Hercules Capital has actually been doing very well for me. I own 37 shares with an average buy-in at $13.10 right now. HTC Hercules Capital is going for $14.17. That comes down to total return. I am up $39.71. HTGC has actually been doing very well for me ever since I got into owning shares of it. Let's see, the last 3 months, it has gone up 73 cents. The last year has gone up a whole $3.21. Let's see, over the last 5 years, it's gone down just a little bit, but at least within this year, it's been up. And like I mentioned, it's been up. It went up $3.21. Again, Hercules Capital, ticker symbol HTGC. It's a finance company, and they pay quarterly to their shareholders. Let's see. Analyst rating has a 70% buy rating. And again, as I mentioned, it's been very good to me. My last dividend payments that I received from HTGC were back November the 8th. I had received 99 cents, and then I received $10.56. So yes, HTGC has been very good for me as far as owning shares in this company. Again, they're quarterly paying dividend. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol T, which is AT&T. AT&T is a telecommunications company. I believe it is a blue chip stock. I believe so. But yes, they pay their shareholders quarterly. I own 7 shares of AT&T. My average buy-in is $34.49. Right now, AT&T is going for $39 per share. So total return, I am up $32.66. AT&T have a 5.339 dividend yield. I believe that's very good. AT&T is a very solid company. And as I mentioned, a quarterly dividend paying. My last payment that I received was back in November. I received $2.55. I plan to keep buying more AT&T. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol KO, which is Coca-Cola. Let's see. Coca-Cola is currently going for $55.13. I bought in at $51.18. Total return of plus $3.95. Coca-Cola is a blue chip stock, very well known. Coca-Cola has been around for ages. They are a food and beverage company, just in case you've been living under a rock or so. But they pay quarterly to the shareholders. Let's see, my last payment I had received was this month, December 16th, and I received 40 cents for earning my one share of Coca-Cola. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol SPHD. SPHD is a part of the S&P 500. It's a high dividend index stock, and I own this just for the dividend. This particular stock, let's see, go down a little bit just so I can make sure I have everything right. It tracks a dividend yield weighted index comprising 50 of the least volatile companies within the S&P 500. And again, as I mentioned, I own this for the dividend. It is a monthly paying dividend company. I received my first dividend payment back in October at 15 cents. Then November, 62 cents. And I currently have a dividend payment coming on the 31st. Again, that's SPHD. Part of the S&P 500 high dividend index stock, and they pay monthly. Let's kind of see some of the history of SPHD. SPHD, it is definitely something I would like to keep investing in. Let's see, as you can see, it's been green for a while. Last month. Here's the last 3 months. Here's the last year. And the last 5 years. As you can see, it's went up $10 SPHD. Definitely would like to keep investing and purchasing more shares of SPHD. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol STAG, which is STAG Industrial. STAG Industrial is a real estate investment company, and they pay their shareholders monthly dividend. I own 2 shares of STAG with the average buy-in at $29.34. Right now, STAG is going for $31.06, which translates to a $3.45 profit. Their dividend is 4.62. I do believe that they will be able to continue to keep paying that. And again, as I mentioned, it is a monthly paying dividend stock. I received my first payment back in October, 12 cents. My next payment was November, 24 cents. And again, this month, 24 cents. And again, this is a monthly paying dividend company, STAG. Let's see. Next, we have ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer. Pfizer is a pharmaceutical company, and Pfizer looks like it's finally starting to rebound and go up a bit. It's definitely been taking a killing these last couple months, but it is a pharmaceutical company, and I do believe in Pfizer. I believe that it will eventually be able to bounce back. My average buy-in, again, I own 1 share. I bought in at $43.29. Right now, Pfizer is going for $39, which means it is on the decline, or at least from when I purchased it. But I do plan to buy more Pfizer because I do like their dividend payout. They pay 3.8% dividend yield. I do believe that is something that Pfizer can continue to keep paying the shareholders. So I will be purchasing more shares of Pfizer. Again, quarterly paying. My last dividend payment was back in September. I received 36 cents, and then I received a payment earlier this month on the 2nd of 36 cents. That is Pfizer, the quarterly dividend paying pharmaceutical company. Okay, next we have SPYD. SPYD is part of the S&P 500 high dividend index stock. And this particular stock, this pays their shareholders quarterly. I own 2 shares of SPYD. I bought in at $37.80. Right now, Pfizer is going for $39.40, which translates to a plus $3.20 on my part. Let's see, SPYD. It is up within the last 5 years. It's up $9. Up this year, $6. The last month, it's been up $1.49. But yes, SPYD. Let's see, my last dividend payment was today, actually. So I just got paid actually today. I wasn't even aware of that. 99 cents. And that is for my 2 shares of SPYD. Yeah, just to go back down, as you can see, I just got paid today, 99 cents. And again, that's just, holding. I'm definitely a buy and hold type of guy myself. Second to last, we have ticker symbol ARCC. ARCC is an investment and fund management company. They pay their shareholders quarterly. I own 6 shares of ARCC with an average buy-in of at $18.66. Right now, ARCC is going for $18.56, so it's down a little bit, but I own ARCC for the dividend. As you can see, they pay a very high dividend, 8.6 dividend payout. I do know that that's very high, and typically investors like to, only stay within a realm of 5% or even lower just to be safe. But this is just part of one of the more high risk stocks that I own. And, I believe that, high risk comes with high reward. So, that's why I invest in the ARCC for the payout. As I mentioned, let's see, they pay quarterly, and I have 2 dividend payments coming. Let's see, tomorrow. Well, one's coming tomorrow, December the 27th, and the next one will be coming December the 30th. So I can't wait to see what those payments are going to be. And the last company that I have in my portfolio, ticker symbol CSCO, which is Cisco. Cisco is another telecommunications company. They pay their shareholders a quarterly dividend payment. I bought in at $56, and right now Cisco is going for $47. So it is on the low. So far, my return is negative $8.59, but it's a quarterly paying dividend, and it is a telecommunications. I have faith that it will rebound, and once it starts to trend up, I will be buying more shares of Cisco. In the meantime, I will just collect the dividend. My last payment was back in October. As I mentioned, it's quarterly, and my October payment was for 35 cents. But I feel like they will be able to rebound, so I'm not sweating that. And yeah, that is my portfolio. Just to kind of reiterate, as I mentioned, I own 13 different. I'm invested in 13 different companies, and I really love investing. If you have not been investing, you're really missing out, because 2019 has been a huge year for all investors. Portfolios have been going up. And honestly, it's not rocket science. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to have studied or anything like that to start investing. I mean, it definitely does help to do your research once you start investing. But it's no time like the present. The time that you are spending not investing in the stock market, you're losing out a lot. Like what separates the the haves from the have-nots is, the haves, they invest in the stock market. Just again, as I mentioned, it's a lot of money to be made. Over the last year, I have made an additional $234, and that's just the compound. That's just through the magic of compound interest. So just me investing my money and then just watching my money work for me. As I mentioned, I received a lot of dividend payments from my stocks that I own. I only invest in dividend paying stocks, and I want to let that continue to keep growing for me. And I really enjoy the passive income that comes from it. So yeah, with that being said, I would like for you to click on the link that is in my video description, and go ahead and download the Robinhood app. Download the Robinhood app. When you do that, you're going to get one free stock just for signing up. And that stock can be anything. It can be Facebook, it can be Ford, it can be GE, it can be Lyft. So yeah, you never know. Click the link of the video. Also click the like button, subscribe to the page, or you can even leave a comment. If you leave a comment, I would definitely reply to the comment. Maybe we can, start up conversation, go back and forth a little bit, but just definitely, start investing in the stock market. 2020 is coming, and if you really would like to reach financial freedom and be able to take care of yourself and your family, you definitely want to invest in the U.S. stock market. I'm sorry, I just invested in the stock market. My apologies. But yeah, click the link and sign up, and you can get the free stock. Let's see. I'll go ahead and click on this free stock right here. Yeah, you can click on the free stock. Let's see. Yeah, you invite 3 friends, you get a bonus free stock, so you get a 4th one. But yeah, get a free stock. And you can give a free stock. It's the holiday season, so it will definitely be really good to start investing. Again, the link is in the description below. Click the link, download Robinhood, set up your account, and start investing in the stock market, because there's a lot of money to be made, dividends, and invest in the companies that you love. With that being said, B Claude 87 will be signing out. Again, happy holidays to you. Whatever you celebrate, I just wish you peace, love, and I hope that your day and your year continue. The rest of the year goes well for you, and I'm wishing you a beautiful 2020. And thank you for watching the video.